So don't think you're gonna just whip up a miracle grease, put it in a jar, and think once you apply it, instantly you're gonna see results. That is not gonna happen. That's not even real. Y'all, and welcome back to the channel. I am Hair Problems and No Edges, your girl, aka the Black Lisa Ray. I only say that because I've been called that so many times in my video that just went viral. It was a DIY extreme hair growth grease for alopecia edges. I am a girl with alopecia, and I'm gonna link that video right up in here and show y'all the video that I'm talking about. So it was a video that went viral about this Blue Magic grease mixer that I made. I made that video probably about a few months ago, and I had a lot of ladies asking for an update on if my edges had grown back yet, like a before and after. So this is the after of me originally posting that video. So these are my edges. They aren't fully grown back in, but as you can see, the follicles are not dead. I had a lot of ladies posting comments on there telling me, your edges are dead, you have scarred tissue, scarred edges, your scalp is scarred, your follicles is dead, your hair is not gonna never grow back. Y'all gotta understand, I am the GOAT when it comes to finding routines and regimens that's gonna work for me. Now, what works for me and what I post that's helpful for myself may not work for you. The products that I'm using, you might not agree with. The products that I'm using, you might not like. The smells of the sulfur 8, I had a lot of people saying they didn't like the sulfur 8 smells. Remove the sulfur 8. These ingredients that I'm posting and these DIYs are actually geared just for me and what I feel works best for my hair. Now, if it doesn't work for you, please remove it from your mixture. Don't even add it. Only add what you use. And because I'm a content creator, y'all got to keep in mind that the grease is not the only thing that I've been using. I've also been using the hair regrowth treatment. This is the AKA Rogaine Minoxidil, a knockoff brand that I got from Walgreens. It works just the same. I've been using that twice a day on my edges. And as y'all can see, y'all is hair. I just woke up, so my edges aren't styled, and I normally style my edges in these signature lines that I hear patent here, right here on my channel, Hair Problems and No Edges. Also, I use the rosemary essential oils, and I have rosemary already infused in this oil that I use on my hair. I also use the essential peppermint oil because I love the way it opens up the follicles and allow the scalp to breathe and be tingly. I also like to use the wild growth oil. So I am a content creator, so I use multiple products on my hair, but I'm trying to figure out what works best for me. And as y'all can see, and as I can see, and we all visual people, I have edges. All right, so now as y'all seen the regrowth update of this video, I'm just gonna go in and show y'all how I style my edges. But y'all need to remember, please take from this video, if y'all don't learn anything else, take from the video that it probably took you years to damage your hair, to gain the traction alopecia, to just go bald around your edges or wherever your problem area spots are. It's going to take the same amount of time, maybe even years, to regrow back that hair. So don't think you're gonna just whip up a miracle grease, put it in a jar, and think once you apply it, instantly you're gonna see results. That is not gonna happen. That's not even realistic. That's not the type of content I am putting out for the world to even believe that if I whip something up in 2-3 days, just like that, my edges are gonna be back. No, ma'am, that's not what I'm proclaiming on this channel. So don't even come for me as if I'm putting out some content that is false content and that it's going to make your hair grow overnight. This is not a miracle grease. It's not, I am not God. And so I cannot make your hair grow overnight. So that is a disclaimer for this video. That's not happening. That's not even what I'm portraying or proclaiming on my channel. So I'm just going in right now, just showing y'all something simple, something light on how I style my edges. I'm just using some of this Got To Be glue gel. I like the hold that it gives my edges, and believe me, I even feel good just being able to say the word edges. Like y'all seen in that video a year ago that my edges were sparse. They still are kind of sparse, but I have hair now. So, you know, just like the Lord ain't through working on me, I'm not through working on these edges. So y'all take comfort and find comfort in knowing that it's going to take a minute, but consistency is always key when you want to see results long term. It's going to take a minute for your hair to grow back. So give it some time. Don't think this stuff is going to happen overnight, because it's not. This original video, the original video was posted a year ago. So a year ago, my hair did not look like this at all. So y'all got to give yourself some time and some grace in order to see some results. But as you're doing that, please build healthier hair growth habits, healthier hair routines in order to gain healthy hair growth. Please take that from this channel. This is the platform that we're trying to gain healthier hair habits in order to correct our issues. So yeah, find comfort in knowing that, yes ma'am, that's what happens when you know, take a minute to damage your hair. It's going to take the same amount of time to try to regrow it. So be patient with yourselves. Be patient with me. And sometimes go back and check the dates on these videos. That way you can get a content in your mind. You can get a kind of a roundabout when they posted the video. And now you can probably kind of judge on how long it took them to regrow their hair. And it's just so funny that the video went viral after almost being posted on YouTube for a year. So a lot of you ladies are posting comments under a video that's almost a year old. That isn't a year old. So I'm like, let me come back with an updated video. But I've been updating my videos throughout the year time span. I've been putting out different videos on my hair growth journey. Even the locks that I have in, these are kind of like temporary protective hairstyles that I'm rocking right now. If y'all like these braids that I got in, y'all go over to my channel and I can show y'all how I actually started off with just an afro and how I decided to put why I decided to put this protective style in. There's a whole video on this hairstyle. So if y'all feeling this hairstyle and y'all like, oh, what kind of hair is that, girl? Da, 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 da. All the specs is over on another video. So please go back, binge watch, scroll through my channel, and check out a lot of my videos. Get y'all some popcorn, grab your favorite drink, pull up a chair, and just binge watch the videos that's on my channel. I got a lot of amazing content and helpful videos that will help y'all regrow back your hair. So let me know what y'all think. This is the end of the update video, the 1-year update from the viral DIY extreme hair growth grease video for alopecia edges. Edges are currently flourishing. They're not all the way done, but guess what? I'm a work in progress, and this is why I create content like this, so y'all can see the before and afters, and so I can come back with a genuine review and let y'all see how my hair is in the natural state as it is right now. All right, let me know what y'all think. Drop me a comment down in the comment section below. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that as well. Give this video a thumbs up, share it to as many people that can benefit from this video, and let me know what y'all think. I'll check y'all again in my next one, y'all. Bye.